So in this video, you'll learn how to create a post on Bluesky. So the first step is to launch Bluesky. And then if you're using the app, you should see this icon on your screen, which is just a note with a pen or pencil on top of it. So that's what you're going to be using to create your post. And if you're using the web browser, then you should just look on your screen and you should see the option New Post, and you just want to click on it. But either way, you want to tap on this icon, and then from here, you can see this blank template available. So if you want to create a post with text, you can just start typing immediately and say your thoughts. If you want to add media, then you should see these options at the bottom on top of your keyboard that allows you to add media. If again you're using your computer, then you should see the exact same icons on that post template. So what you want to do, if you want to add media, is just select either option, whether it's photos or video. You can even choose to take an image directly from your camera, and this will require you giving access to your app if you're using your phone. So it's up to you how to customize your post. And so once you've typed out whatever it is that you wanted to say, you can also choose who exactly can see your post. So tap on anybody can interact, like that. And then from here, you have these post interaction settings. So you can choose to allow quote posts, you can choose to allow who can reply to your post, and it's just up to you to customize all of these options. And then you want to tap on save so that those changes are applied to that post. Once you've finished customizing your post, you then want to tap on post and then wait for it to be processed. And then once it's been processed, it should be published. So when you go to your profile, you can see under this section labeled posts, your post that you've just created should be there. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.